Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver after pandemic, what we have seen, there is a continuous upside. Okay, and this we have seen in most of the stocks, even energy stocks also we have seen after pandemic there is a continuous upside. Okay, and after that there is a range where the price of silver was moving for so long. But if you look at till here, you can see a flat pattern was forming, a flag pattern. That is where it moved, and from there is a continuous fall. So I have told you at this particular point that there is chances of higher selling. Okay, so because there is a profit booking has come. What people were thinking, profit booking has come at this particular stage. After that, again when it started upside this particular stage, and for the third time at this level. Okay, and then there is a flag pattern forming. That is where there is a continuous fall. Again, after making this particular fall, we have seen a range. Okay, and after that what we have seen, there is a fall and a U pattern form. There is a continuous upside after that. Okay, now it is trading at a level of $24.570. Okay, and before we move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, chances are low. Okay, but if it bounce back from this particular zone, because this is the strong support zone, so if it bounce back, then we can see it can go further upside, or if it moves down, then we can see it can fall further low. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain, that means if it didn't support this particular support, so we can see it can move towards a level of $24.278, and if the price fall below that level, it can go towards a level of $24.091. If the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can fall further low below a level of 24, and then chances of going towards a level of $23.722 is there. Keep that in mind that a U pattern is forming, so chances will be high that if it goes below a level of $23.906, chances are very high that it will go towards a next support at a level of $23.258. Okay, and after that if it falls, then what we can see that the level at a level of 22.170, that is a strong support coming. Okay, and this is the zone where the price of silver is moving for so long. Okay, again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can move towards its next support after this level is $24.216, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of 23.722. Okay, and once it fall below this level, it will come towards its next support of $23.278, and from there it will move towards a level of around $23. If the price fall below this level, we can see it can touch a level of around $22.070. Keep that in mind, because once it started falling below a level of $23.278, chances of going towards a level of 22.472 is there, because we have seen a sharp rise. So chances are high if it moves below a level of 23.298, then we can see it will come in a zone of $22.822, and from there a fall we can see towards a level of 22.299, and then further fall we can see for the price of silver. Now understand, okay, I am not telling you that the market will not see continuous, a slow and steady upside we have seen in the price of silver. Okay, so you cannot be looking and saying that the price will go further upside. Okay, it can go, but what you have to do is always set your SL when you are trading. Okay, always try to trail your SL. Okay, that is the first and foremost rule you should follow. Okay, whether you are a beginner, intermediate or advanced level traders or investor, always try to set an SL for a particular trade. Okay, and set a limit for a particular day, for a particular week and month, so that your capital can be saved as well as your profit. Okay, because market is always uncertain, it will not be certain that your SL is on this particular level or you have not put the SL. It will wipe out your capital if it is going towards that negative zone. Okay, suppose if the price sustain, or if it bounce back from this particular level, so if it bounce back from this particular level, the next resistance coming at a level of $25. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain above that particular zone, we can see it can touch a level of around $25.431, and from there we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of going towards a level of around $26 we can see. Keep that in mind, because as soon as it breaks this particular zone, because there is a pattern will form. Okay, so chances will be high it can touch a level of around $25, and from there we can see a level of 25.292. that is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can touch that particular zone and can touch a level of around $26, and once it sustains above 26, you can see it can go further high, and a probability of going towards 26.826 is there. Keep that in mind, because a zone at a level of around 26.157 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can cross a level of $26.434 and can touch this particular level. Okay, and if the price sustain that level, then we can see it can move further upside, because if there is a zone breakout, chances of going further upside we can see, because silver is mostly moving in a zone. As soon as it break upside or downside, we have seen an upside or downside fall. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you